Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm here to share day, was it 12 and 13, no, 13, 14 of my 24 days of Christmas with Nada Creations. A bunch of us decided to do this and she is my partner. So, so 12 and 13 are these two beautiful ribbons that she gifted me. I got the blue, the turquoise, the yellow, and I have the pink one now. I never got this. I don't know why. And I love this satin. What color is it? Did it say what color? No. But I love this satin ribbon from the Dollar Tree. It is pretty. I love making my bows. Um, do I have one here I can share? Ooh, yeah. Hold on. Here. Here are my little figure bows that I make. I make a ton of them with the uh, ribbon. So that is right? It's 13 and 14 is this too. So I will be back on Tuesday. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye now.